Hey guys, it's Kevin from Dynomite here. In this video, we're going to have a closer look at our shop truck project, the 1976 Dodge W150 Power Wagon. Now it's a little cold here without a coat on, but I'm braving the elements to kind of show you one of our hoodie designs here. This is the Dynomite Express. You can find this and other ones like it at dynamiteperformance.ca. Now I'm going to get a coat on. All right, so here it is in all its glory, kind of a burnt orange color. See the got the Power Wagon badge there. We're missing the ones off the side here, but I'm sure we'll be able to find it. And we do have the grill for it way up there. You can probably see it. Now, if you've followed us recently, you're probably wondering that why we would get another project. We've got lots on the go. One of the more recent ones is the GT6. We're really close on it. We'll probably see a video with Jason coming up here shortly, kind of going over it. We got the 55 back there. Don't worry, we're not putting F-150 hood on it. It's just kind of sitting there for now. And there's our D100 Hemi project up there. We'll be getting going on these ones shortly, but this is kind of the flavor of the day. We've always wanted a shop truck, and this one came up. It was kind of a great deal, so we got after it. So before we go on the inside, we'll kind of show you maybe why it was such a good deal and what we're working on. We got a little bit of frame damage there, and by a little bit, I mean quite a bit. So we were looking for a frame section to kind of replace that with, and we found one there. But after we got looking at this one that we just picked up on the weekend, it looks really good. We'll go over there and look at it in a minute. We thought, well, why don't we just, instead of trying to graft a piece in, why don't we just cut this off here from the back and put that one in. So I think that's what we're going to do, and we'll kind of follow along with some time lapses on some upcoming videos to show you that process. So basically we're going to cut from this bolt here, cut it all off, springs and everything. We will keep the rear end because this is the heavy duty 8 bolt. The one over there is only the 5 bolt. We'll keep the bumper at the back as well. It's a nice heavy duty bumper there. But yeah, this came from out west. It's mostly okay, except for that spot over there. But we'll show you the other one here. You can kind of see what we're talking about here. We just picked this one up from just south of Ottawa over the weekend, and it looks really good. $200, couldn't pass it up. Those shocks look like they were recently mounted. Same number of leafs, but then again, like I said, we just got to swap out the rear end here. This is the 5 bolt. We'd like to keep the 8 bolt. So like we showed on the other one there, it's the exact same frame. We're gonna cut right there and basically move this whole thing over to that truck. A good way that we thought to line it up, we're gonna take off these outside box mounts, and we got some nice angle here, really heavy duty. We're gonna take these out. Mark the angle on both sides, drill them out, get some good grade 9 hardware, and that'll kind of hold it in place and make sure it's lined up if we do our best and do a good job at mounting those angles. After we get it bolted in place, then we'll go back through and we'll weld it on both sides. We'll plate the inside as well, and then it'll look just like new. So that's it for that frame. Let's have a look at the Power Wagon in a little more detail. Like I said, we do have the front grille. This one has a 400, which is awesome. It's a big block. Only downside is that it has a 2-barrel carburetor and intake, so that's something we'll look to replace once we get going here. Since the gas tank was taken out to do that frame repair, we just got a little tank here with an electric fuel pump to just basically move it around. Long tube headers on it too, which is awesome. Sounds decent. Does sound like there's an exhaust leak, but that's something we'll dive into once we get the frame repaired. I'll just turn the pump on here. We'll get it running here. Decent interior. You know, it's an out west truck. It's got the gun rack in the back and a Stetson hat holder, which is kind of cool. Let's see if we can get it going here. You can kind of hear the exhaust leak there. A couple of cherry bombs in the back. You can definitely hear that exhaust leak up there. But she does run. Sounds okay out the back. Four-wheel drive, obviously, W200. Just turn that electric fuel pump off. Okay, so like I said, we're going to do a couple of time lapses here with the repair process. Probably one of cutting this one out, getting it out of the way, and then maybe a separate one of splitting this one and getting it rolled out. And obviously we've got to turn the truck around to work on that before we start lopping anything off. And then before long, hopefully we get the two mated up, and we'll be getting this on the road hopefully soon. Just go quickly outside. I'll just show you the box if it's not completely covered in snow. Still light outside. Decent box, just a little bit of bubbling around the edges there, but not too bad. We can probably get that cleaned up pretty good. You can't tell now because we just had like a foot of snow over the weekend, but there's no holes in the bed as well. So yeah, we're really excited about this one. Not that we're not excited about any of the projects that we do. Okay guys, that's a quick look at the Power Wagon. If you want to see kind of the process take shape, continue to watch our videos, like and subscribe, comment if you can, and we'll keep putting out content like this. Thanks a lot, guys.